Am I looking directly in? Always. Okay. Hi, my name is Mike Yates. I run a little team called Arcade AI, which is inside of the Reinvention Lab at Teach for America. So we're like the AI training and teaching organization inside of an R&D lab. And one of the things that's really interesting, so the discussion that we've been facilitating is we're trying to identify all of the positive use cases and the potential that AI could have on the American education system. And one of the really cool bits of information that's coming from that conversation is this idea that we should work with everyone in the family. So not just serve the students, but also serve the parents, serve educators as part of the students' community. There's another really awesome bit of the conversation that we're having about the idea of expertise, like who gets to call themselves an expert and what types of expertise need to be at the table in order to leverage AI in positive ways for the field. And then the last thing is implementation of AI, like who gets to use the tools, how are people accessing them, like literally do people have internet, do they have a device to be able to use, can they sign into the AI platform? So talking about everything in that range. I think it's important that you have all these different types of people at the table, different stakeholders, because in education it doesn't happen all that often. A lot of the times, whether you're in K-12 or whether you're in higher ed, in education, it becomes this echo chamber of the same voices, the same conference, same convening, often saying the same things year after year. And so it's really nice to have a fresh perspective, but also truly expertise from different places in the education sector, in the private sector, because those voices and those experiences are ones that I might not have, or a perspective that somebody else at the table has never heard, and that will spark a new idea, a new opinion, and honestly, a new product to be built. Yeah, the best endorsement that I could give of the 100-Year EdTech Project is that you come here to bring ideas to life. This is a long game. This is a long process. There's a lot of work to be done, but it starts with having real, tangible ideas. So real people at the table from all different places, industries, walks of life, experiences, backgrounds, all of that. That is what's necessary to actually build a future that works for everyone. And so if you have a piece of that future that works for everyone, you owe it to yourself and your community to show up.